Let's check out this desktop phone holder. So this also can be used for tablets as well. And this is what it looks like. So online it actually appears that it's made from metal, so they have very misleading images for this holder. So it's definitely not metal. So, and again, overall it's like very cheap quality. Also these things like these plastic, I can't get them out at the moment, but again, these often fall out. So these are some plastic plugs and they keep falling out. So again, the overall build quality, as you can see, it's very cheap Chinese in plastic, as you see, not properly finished. And again, on the bottom we have this like grip essentially, so it won't like move maybe as much, but I do not think it's actually doing much of any job. So again, we can position in various ways and we can put on our phone. So this is Samsung S25, around 6.2-inch phone essentially. But you actually need to be kind of careful with this thing, because if you extend it in some weird position, for example on this one, as you see, it will like fall over. So again, it's not very stable at all. Or again, if you tilt it like this, so in a bit off angle, so if I put it on, it will fall over essentially. So again, it's not really safe, so you kind of have to be very careful when you use it. So again, there is no weight to this unit, so it's very cheap, lightweight plastic. And basic physics, yeah, you can't really beat basic physics. So if you tilt it in a bit wrong angle, it will essentially fall over. And yeah, I do not think it's safe to actually use. And again, the adjustments are completely pointless on it thing, because again, if you like use the adjustments, it's not stable, so it will fall over, and of course you can damage your device and destroy it. So I do not think this thing is worth. Again, build quality is cheap Chinese junk essentially. So again, online it appears it's metal, like very well finished, but again, those online images are completely off. So as you see, there are no metal parts. So again, just some very cheap Chinese in plastic. So I paid like $3 for this thing. I really do not think it's even worth that. So maybe $1, it would be worth $1. I think, as you can see, again, the overall finishing touches aren't really good. So even this like foam isn't applied properly here. So I mean, if it did its job and it didn't fell over, it would be okay for the build quality. But again, you shouldn't probably purchase it. It's not really fit for purpose for what it's actually supposed to do. And again, you can very easily probably damage your phone. And yeah, I do not think it's worth it to actually use it and risk your device with this garbage. Anyway, yeah, good luck.